Think about the cardinal guideline of comedy, improv, yes, and. Listen to whatever is being stated, and then riff off of it. And if you're the only one doing the legwork, it'll be quite apparent if they're giving you absolutely nothing to work with, then your date simply sucks, and you can liquidate yo. Anxiety is driven by unpredictability, so if you have a versatile exit plan, you'll feel more confident, says Dr. Hendrickson. And if you hesitate of feeling the pressure to remain out actually late, even if the date is good, you can prepare something between events, or throughout the day. It's great to have a definite time you need it to be over with, states Dr. If you go on a Saturday afternoon date, there's no dedication then to what occurs next. If you have actually gone on a handful of dates, and they have actually all been stilted and uncomfortable to get through, it might be excellent to reassess your own habits on dates. If you're insecure about your social skills, you could get feedback from close friends and discover out how you're stumbling upon, states Dr. Introversion is a characteristic and preference. It doesn't automatically make you shy or uncomfortable. If the concept of talking to anybody new freaks you out, even if it has to do with all the things you hardcore stand the most, you might be more than just introverted. With social anxiety, among the biggest fears people have is meeting strangers, says Dr. If you believe you have a great deal of worries that cluster together, it might be excellent to look for therapy and discover out where these worries of satisfying new individuals are coming from. Introverts can feel tremendous dating app tiredness, especially when they're stuck in a cycle of sweepy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.